Everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial video of how to live stream the conference on the platform, as well as just going over the agenda and helping you figure out how to navigate that. So when you first log into your platform, it'll take you to this home section. If it doesn't, you can just go ahead and click on the little home icon. It's going to pull up this page. We don't have anything streaming or live yet, so it's going to look a little bit different, but this is going to be where you can stream the conference. It will be very self-explanatory. Just be able to click play and view the different sessions. So that is where you will go to view the sessions. As far as agenda, it's going to be this little calendar icon, the third tab down. When you click on that, this is going to default on which day it is. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It'll show you kind of the breakdown of the agenda and the times of the different sessions and meetings that are happening. This may look a little bit differently depending on whether you are an in-person attendee or a virtual attendee, since there are specific meetings for vice versa. So definitely recommend you to take a look at the agenda. And something that's super helpful is it does have these little bookmark tabs. So as you go through the agenda, if you do see one specific session or meeting that you're really wanting to make sure that you attend, you can actually click this little bookmark icon and that'll turn it green for you. And that's going to add it as a bookmark. So feel free to go through the schedule and do that for any of the important sessions that you want to make sure that you don't miss and that you want to make sure you attend. If you're looking at this in advance, you can definitely fast forward to Thursday to take a look at Thursday and bookmark some of those. Same thing for Friday. Once you have bookmarked some of the sessions that you're wanting to attend, you can switch over this little toggle where it says My Schedule up here in the top left corner. When you click on that, it should turn green and you can hover over the days and it'll show you which of those sessions that you bookmarked so that you can remember which ones that you wanted to attend. We also do have a feature up here under your profile that will show you your bookmarks as well. Unfortunately, it looks like there's a few kinks that they're working out, so it's not working right now. But this will also just be a quick place where you can click to be able to access your bookmarks that are saved. And whenever you do click the bookmark button, it will add it to your list and they will also be sent to your email that you registered with so that you can capture them that way as well. So kind of up to your preference as far as how you want to find your bookmarks, but there are different options to be able to make it the easiest for you.